We are going to use these simple ingredients to create a very delicious meal. So stay tuned.
I'm adding the finely diced red onions to the hot oil now. We'll let these gently sizzle until they start to soften and become translucent.
Remember the carrots? Remember the carrots I grated? Now they perform. Give it a careful stir to distribute the grains. Cover and let it simmer. Let's plate this delicious dish.